Hello, my name is Dennis Walter. My wife and I own StoneBrook Winery. Something we started back in 2000. We're now into it 20 years, and we make 32 different varieties of wine, 11 grape, and the rest fruit. So we range anywhere from dries to sweets. StoneBrook Winery has been something that we got into, not because we had a great love for wine, but we seen it as a means to an end. Our farm's been in our family 150 years now, and we were looking for a way to diversify our farm so that it would remain in the family another 150 years. The farm started out as a blacksmith shop, hog farm, went from that to truck farming, dairy, beef cattle, and now we're raising grapes, which our great-great-grandfather did back in the 1800s. So we've made a full circle, and our goal is to keep our farm in the family, and it's meant a lot that we can do that in Campbell County, where farming for a living is kind of going extinct, actually. There's a few of us left, but I'm proud to be one of them that is left making my living off of the farm, off of the land. The Campbell County Backroads Farm Tour was something that, while I used to be on the Conservation District Board, we had talked about way back when. What we wanted to do was educate people who are not familiar with the farms in Campbell County, or even people who didn't even think there were any farms left in Campbell County. And there are quite a few, and there are a lot of us still on the land working. And this gives people an opportunity to see what we do, see what we produce, and have a little bit more respect for agriculture in the county. We not only furnish great views of rural land, but we also produce products that help the local community, and a lot of our products reach out across the nation as far as the beef cattle and the wines and whatever else we sell. So great opportunity for the northern part of the county to actually come down and visit the southern part of the county, where a lot of our farms still remain, and get an opportunity to see what we all do down here.